Okay, to help you with your homework tonight, guided practice. Remember, these questions are not on your test, but we can still go through them. So, problem number 1. In a lab environment, colonies of bacteria follow a predictable pattern of growth. This graph shows the growth. What is happening to the population during phase 2? You should be able to get that it is increasing rapidly. And in phase 4, what is happening to the population? It is starting to decrease. So, the next problems, there's 3 graphs. Shows speeds of 3 people who are riding snowmobiles. Tell which graph corresponds to each. So Chip begins to ride slowly, but then stops to talk with some friends. After a few minutes, he continues his ride, gradually increasing his speed. So see if you can figure that out. But I'm going to say that that looks like graph 2 because he's increasing, he slows down, he stops to talk to some friends, so he's not moving at all then, and then he increases. Linda's speed steadily increases through most of her ride. Then she slows down. So that is actually graph 3 because it's steadily increasing. If it said that she increased her speed and then went the same amount each time, then it would be graph 1. And number 5. Paolo stood at the top of a diving board. He walked to the end of the board and then dove forward into the water. He plunged down to the bottom of the surface, then swam straight forward while underwater. So let's talk about this. He's on the top of a diving board. He goes to the end of the diving board. He dove forward into the water. He plunged down below the surface. He swam straight forward while underwater. And then he swam forward and upward. So your graph should look something like this. That's it for your homework.